WEI stands for Wood Enterprise Institute. Every fall we start with a bunch of new students. They're supposed to come up with the product they think they can manufacture.
Last semester is mostly coming up with the idea, finalizing the idea. Then we kind of came up with the final product and built a business plan around that final product and presented it.
We had a customer survey and asked what customers would like, and they chose the coasters. Then in the spring semester, we start making that product and start selling it. Students come from all over the campus. We have a chemistry major, we have marketing major, we have building construction major. They come from our department, Sustainable Biomaterials. We take whoever has an interest in getting a good understanding of entrepreneurship. What do I need to be successful once I start my own business?
What we're doing isn't hypothetical. We're in here actually making the product that we created with our mind, and we're actually selling it to people. So we actually have to do the finances completely and make sure that we're not losing money and make sure that this is something that people will actually buy. It's all real world, and I think it's really great that we have such a raw experience in this kind of low-risk environment.
This is my favorite class because it shows what students are able to do when the interest is picked.